Oh, right, right.
Turn around now if you would.
It's on.
Tear him down.
Yeah! Woo! Nice!